Listen, people. Outside no normal. Look at this. And the snow is still coming down. And my mom is gonna head to work. Look at this. I don't even have on proper clothes, but I just want to come out here before this guy shovels snow from my spot. What? Look at this. Look how deep this is. I'm getting ready to go outside to clean my car and run my car. And obviously, I was showing you my layer up, but my head was cut off, so I'm just gonna show you the full fit. I have on like 3 layers under this. And now I'm gonna head out. Oh gosh. I just had breakfast, so I should be good to go. All right, let's go, guys. Yeah, I was trying to get one of the cover-ups, but I keep procrastinating. Oh my people. Okay, this is... Whoosh. It's not fun. No. Wait, I can't get up. It's not. I can't get up. We gotta start off with the car. Yeah. Because you have to start the car off first. Yeah. I think I started my car. Yeah. You didn't start? Oh yeah, it started. Okay, yeah. See, people, Jersey, you want to live Jersey. This is what you get when you live in Jersey. Yeah. I can't even hear the sound of the car. Oh God. I was trying to get one of those the handheld power shop. This is so much. And there's somewhere else. Oh gosh, this is a lot. Yeah. My gosh. You know how many inches it was?
I want to say 1 or 2 feet.
Really?
Yeah.
I know that last time they said it was 21 inches.
Yeah.
So that?
Yeah.
My car is buried. Oh. So this is, oh my goodness. This is the before. I'm making some progress, guys. We are making some progress. Half my car is done. Half the car is done. See, I'm here looking like an Eskimo. People who don't have a car must be happy because they don't have to deal with this mess. But one thing with me, you know, when I'm cleaning up my car, every speck of snow have to get removed. Nothing not get left. So this is the process. This is my current situation. Blizzard 2026. So now I'm gonna get this other side of the car. What we are looking like right now. I got the car cleaned off. We're gonna try to pull out so we can do the sides. So this is what we're currently looking like right now. My baby is clean. People, for me to say it's no normal, it's no normal. It's no normal. My parking spot, that's my mom trying to clear out some of the snow, so I'm gonna take over from her with the shovel. Okay? So go and stay tuned, guys. Remember to like up the video, share up the video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please give me a subscription. I would appreciate it. I would appreciate it. Thank you guys. Stay tuned.
Love me, you ain't from me, and Chanel. How you say you love me, you ain't from me, and Chanel. How you say you love me, you ain't from me, and Chanel. Say you love me, you ain't from me, and Chanel. I'm a big dog, baby, underdog, baby. Self-made bitch, yeah, you ain't upgrade me. Waistline crazy, men them chase me. Say you wanna see me, when you gon' take me.
You have to have strong arms, strong abs, strong back, strong everything to shovel snow. Listen, I'm not picking what this. Head big and strong. Woo! Tired. But we're getting there. See everybody cleaning up. My spot is coming out slowly but surely. Slowly but surely. So we're throwing it in the middle, so that's when that's when the truck comes through again, you can just push the snow away. Yeah. Times like this, I wish I was back home on my yard. Back in Jamaica. Land of food and water and sun. You see me, I use up all of my energy to go dig up the snow. Trying to entertain you guys. Poppy now, go ahead for this time. Look how pretty the snow is. It's kind of, it has a blue shade on the inside. This is the final product. Like I said, when I'm cleaning my parking space, every bit of ice have to come out because I like it's clean like a whistle. So now I'm gonna sprinkle some salt. That way, if there's any more flurries coming down, it doesn't stick. But I think that should be the snow for the rest of the day. And the sun is trying to peek out. Okay? If you live in an area where, in a state where it snows, you have to have salt. So, yeah. Now we have too much of my salt. Find this. So if you have reached this far in my video, I want to just thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you guys for staying with me. And remember to give me a thumbs up, a like, and a subscribe. This is your girl, J Jar the Jumper. Until we meet again. Until we see each other again. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.